Hello, today we will guide you through how to create slide presentations with Claude. In this quick walkthrough, you'll learn how to begin creating a slide presentation by starting a new chat in Claude and then entering a prompt that asks for help building your presentation. This is a simple process, and it's a great way to turn an idea into a structured set of slides in just a few moments. To begin, open Claude and go to the new chat page. Starting with a fresh chat is helpful because it gives you a clean workspace and helps Claude focus on the specific task you want to complete. If you already have other conversations open, using a new chat can also make your presentation request easier to organize and follow. Once you're on the new chat screen, take a moment to make sure you're ready to describe what kind of slide presentation you want. The more clearly you frame your request, the better Claude can help you generate useful content. Even a simple prompt can be enough to get started, especially if your goal is to quickly build a draft that you can refine afterward. Next, enter a sample prompt about creating a slide presentation and then press enter to send it. Your prompt can briefly describe the topic, purpose, or audience for the presentation. For example, you might ask Claude to create a slide deck on a specific subject, outline the main sections, or draft slide-by-slide content. Keeping your prompt focused will usually give you a more relevant result, and if needed, you can always continue the conversation to improve the output. After you send the prompt, Claude will begin generating a response based on your request. From there, you can review the suggested presentation structure and decide how you want to refine it. If the first draft is too broad, too short, or missing important points, you can continue prompting Claude to adjust the tone, expand the content, or reorganize the slides. A useful tip is to think of your first prompt as the starting point rather than the final version. You're beginning a guided drafting process, and Claude can help you shape the presentation into something more polished over time. That's all it takes to get started. Open a new chat, type a prompt for your slide presentation, and send it. With just those two actions, you can begin building presentation content quickly and efficiently using Claude.